Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask Portfolio. First, navigate to the MetaMask Portfolio website and connect your existing MetaMask wallet. This secure connection allows you to view all your digital assets in one convenient place. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview, helping you manage your cryptocurrencies and NFTs across various blockchain networks with ease. It's designed for simplicity and efficiency. Once connected, you can easily monitor your entire crypto portfolio. The platform displays your total asset value, aggregating holdings from multiple networks like Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. You can see individual token balances, their current market prices, and even visualize your asset allocation through intuitive charts. This gives you a clear, up-to-the-minute understanding of your financial position in the decentralized world. MetaMask Portfolio makes managing your assets even more dynamic with built-in swapping and bridging functionalities. You can exchange one cryptocurrency for another directly, often with competitive rates. Furthermore, the bridging feature allows you to move assets between various blockchains, such as from Ethereum to Optimism, in just a few clicks. Always review the estimated gas fees and transaction times before confirming any operation to ensure a smooth experience. Beyond basic management, MetaMask Portfolio offers access to advanced features like staking your tokens to earn rewards or participating in liquidity pools. Security is paramount. Your private keys always remain with your MetaMask wallet, never with the portfolio interface. Remember to always use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication where available, and be wary of phishing attempts to keep your digital assets secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.